Today we are taking the Iliad quiz. For question number 1, it is a matching question and it is in random order, so make sure that you double check your order. It might not be the same as mine when you're answering this question. So you're going to match the contributions from the ancient Greeks that we use in our modern society. So on the side we have democracy, Olympic Games, and language. So I want you to match them with their definitions over here. So which one is, have you ever acted in a drama or performed a piece of music? Those words, along with many others such as alphabet, stadium, automatic, and rhinoceros, came from ancient Greek. This definition says, like the ancient Greeks, every 4 years the finest athletes gather to compete in these events, but the sports during that time included chariot racing, boxing, and jumping. And the final definition comes from Greek words meaning the people rule. In the city-state of Athens, the citizens discussed the important issues such as whether they should go to war and then voted to make a decision. Question 2. What is an epic? Is it A, a rhyming poem whose characters are humans, gods, and goddesses? B, a long narrative poem that tells the deeds of a legendary hero? Or C, an article that tells about true facts and events on a specific topic? Question 3. And remember, you can always pause this video and answer the question and then push play again when you're ready to answer the next question. Question 3. Which of the following would ancient Greeks have considered to be an example of a hero's excellence? A, boldly facing a difficult challenge and triumphing. B, avoiding all conflict and giving to the will of others. C, cheerfully accepting what happens in life. Question 4. What is the difference between Achilles and Odysseus? A, both Achilles and Odysseus are eager to go to war. B, Achilles is eager to go to war while Odysseus is hesitant. C, Odysseus is in search of glory while Achilles just wants a peaceful life. Question 5. It was prophesied that if Achilles goes to war, he will die. What conclusion can you draw about Achilles, considering that he decides to go to war, knowing that this prophecy would come true? A, Achilles does not want to live. B, Achilles believes he can escape the prophecy. C, Achilles values greatness and glory. Question 6. Which best describes the problem and resolution between Achilles and Agamemnon, who is the leader of the Greek army? A, Agamemnon takes something from Achilles, and Achilles decides he can no longer fight for the king. B, Agamemnon kills Achilles' best friend Patroclus, so Achilles seeks vengeance on Agamemnon in the war. C, Achilles thinks he should be the leader of the army, and so he decides to stop fighting. Question 7. Hector tells Andromache, "Dear wife, leave these things to me. I am not willing that any son or daughter of Troy should see me keeping away from battle. I hate the very thought of it. I must always be in the front." What does Hector mean? A, Hector does not think he is risking his life by participating in the battles. B, Hector fears that the Trojans think he is a coward. C, Hector knows that he is a symbol to his people. Question 8. For the characters of the Iliad, armor represents his identity and achievements during his life and after death, and the greater the character, the more important the fate of his armor. Which best describes what armor symbolizes? A, love. B, hate. C, honor. Question 9. Why does Achilles finally decide to come back and join the battle against the Trojans? A, Achilles learns of Patroclus' death. B, Zeus commands him to take his place among the warriors. C, the Trojans set fire to the Greek ships. Question 10. Read the following from the Iliad. Zeus said, "This is a piteous thing I see. My heart is grieved for Hector. Shall we save him from death, or shall we let him fall by the spear of Achilles?" Athena replied, "What is this that you propose? Will you save a man that the fate appoints to die? Then Zeus said, "So it must be, but is a thing I hate." If Zeus wishes to save Hector, why does he die? A. It is Hector's fate. B. Athena wants to bring an end to the war. C. Achilles is a greater warrior than Hector. Question 11. Achilles decides to hand over Hector's body. What conclusion can you draw from Achilles' change of heart? A. Achilles fears he will never regain his honor. B. Achilles thinks that it was wrong to kill Hector. C. Achilles has learned to value life as well as honor. Question 12. Which of the following is not a theme expressed in the Iliad? A. Accomplish great deeds. B. Do not listen to the advice of others, only do what you want. C. Balance emotion with wisdom. Make sure you save all your responses and then you can submit your quiz.